What is up, crypto legends? Are we seeing Bitcoin having an attempt in breaking a major resistance zone? We failed to break the support level. Are we going to succeed to break the resistance that we are going to talk about from this video update, this live stream? Right away, guys, make sure to absolutely destroy that like button on your way in. If you do enjoy the content, we're going to talk about the price of Bitcoin hitting a major lower high resistance trend line. And we're also kind of wanting to break above the previous day value area high. It looked like it was a successful breakout, got a major pullback, getting back above here. We're going to talk about what needs to happen next, because even though we do continue to the upside, there is a lot of resistance here around about the 63.5k level, which is going to be explained right away. Why is this zone big resistance? Let's go right away. We're going to go through technical analysis, Elliott wave theory. Is there a possibility that this ABC scenario has finished? Have we finished with this large ABC and it's time to absolutely rock it? Or do we have one more leg here to the downside? We're going to talk about that right away, legends. So make sure to destroy the like button. We're going to go through the comment section. Today is going to be a little bit of comment section today, okay? I want to take a look at the comment section, say hello to the community. We've got some Floki here in the comment already. Today, we'll be taking a look at Floki, all right? We will be taking a look at Floki right away. Why not? Why not? For the community. I'm going to spend some time today for the community. 𝗬𝗫, how are you doing, my man? 𝗬𝗫, the legend, he is here. Make sure to subscribe to 𝗬𝗫's channel. He is here in the comment section, guys. As you can see him, check out his channel because he does post every single day. Technical analysis, some great tips of trading. Go and check him out, guys. You are not going to regret it. Let's continue here through the comment section. We got El Orban. Hello, Mustafa. Hey, Andy, Nexa US dollar tether. Can you look at this? Right, we got some TA on demand here. What is Nexa? Nexa US dollar tether. We can take a look at Nexa right away. What is Nexa doing? I'm going to leave them ready on the chart, okay? We'll leave them ready on the chart and we'll do quick technical analysis. Very volatile crypto, no doubt. At least we do have some pretty strong wicks here on MEXC. Not looking too bad. It is still in a very aggressive downtrend the last few weeks. However, this is almost at rock bottom levels, right? We did get a massive pump in November and December of, well, November basically of 2023. Huge massive pump, big massive corrective move. This is basically almost a pump and dump coin, right? They are very risky. Pump and dump, pump and dump. No doubt that this zone is potentially a good buying zone. The next time you get a major parabolic pump, make sure that you want to take profits out, because you know what has happened in the history of this cryptocurrency. A big pump and dump, pump and dump. You want to buy some of this Nexa here or Nexa at these levels? Make sure to get the heck out when it pumps, because this could dump back down to the rock bottom levels. It's a pump and dump coin, guys. Pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump. You want to buy here? Make sure to get out when it pumps, because you're going to dump back down. Keep it easy, keep it simple. Let's go right away. Did anyone get notification for Andy's show in YouTube? He popped up on my YouTube page, but not notification. Okay, there is an issue. Why am I not popping on notifications? That is extremely strange. Why is it not popping here on notifications? God damn it, YouTube. Let me double check here on my other YouTube. Yes, it is not. Oh my goodness, I do not believe it. I did not get a notification either. Oh, yeah, no, it's not working. Come on, YouTube, what is going on? Why didn't we get a notification? God damn it, YouTube. Anyway, never mind. Live, let's go right away here through the comment section. Right, go BTC. BTC is pumping. We're going to analyze Bitcoin. Most importantly, I have exited my short position basically that I did take on Bybit, guys. This was basically based on volume strategy. The trading short position that I did take just a few days ago right over here is completely out. Okay, I closed all of that position, no doubt recognizing that we did create a swing failure pattern here yesterday, and we could be seeing a strong reversal possibly. Maybe this has been the end of the C wave. We're going to give Bitcoin a chance. It is breaking through right now. I'm going to explain a small long position that I did get in here exactly at the breakout of the daily open. Today's daily open, we did get a short-term, small little breakout, not with huge amount of volume, but I speculated that we were going to get that bounce as support from today's daily open. We formed a little bit of a double bottom right there, breakout, flip this resistance, which is the daily open at 61,255. Look for that possible bounce of support, managing risk overall here, not too far away, not putting stop losses down here, legends, just putting it halfway through here just in case it was a fake out and we're not going to find that support on the daily open. That was not traded on Bybit. Bybit, I'm closed from that short, recognizing here the possible reversal and jumped into a smallish long. Okay, I was not risking too much. It's just over $300 in profit at the moment, but I'm going to leave it open. Not worth taking profits here, just in case we do manage to go to all-time high in the next coming days. Imagine that. Could we see all-time high based on the liquidity that we have up there? Guys, 𝗬xe is still a no KYC platform. Just with an email and a password, you can start trading in a matter of minutes. Okay, still get that exclusive bonus down below for 𝗬xe of $20,000. It's a deposit bonus, guys. More you deposit in trade, the more bonus you're going to get airdropped. So this is what is happening currently right now with Bitcoin. Main reason of this long trade, it was a daily open resistance support flip. So far, so good. Small position, not taking too much risk, recognizing that this could still roll down. What is looking good about this, legends, what is looking good about this is that we're breaking a major lower high resistance, right? We are breaking a major lower high resistance. Didn't see you today at token 2049. I didn't go today. Singularity X. I will be going tomorrow. I will be going tomorrow to token 2049. I will be going to side events. I am going to a side event that I cannot say here publicly. It's a private one. But I will be going to the side event. If you DM me on Telegram, we can probably hook up later. Singularity X. Let me know right away what you're doing later on. So I'll be going to token 2049 tomorrow. So probably see you on tomorrow's one, because we have Chainlink's creator, 𝗖cie 𝗺𝗫. He is actually going to be in a conference tomorrow. I need to see this guy live. See what he's talking about on Chainlink, because Chainlink is one of my biggest holdings. I need to see this guy, 𝗖cie, Uncle 𝗖cie. I need to see him live. So he is live tomorrow in a conference in token 2049. Let's go right away. So I'll see you tomorrow. Let's go right away through the price of Bitcoin. Most importantly, technical analysis. This is where we can make some gains. I'm probably going to pay for dinner today if we do get a little bit more profits on this long position. $400. That's going to pay taxi and dinner for tonight. Let's go right away with the why is this bullish? Why could this be a bullish reversal scenario? If you did pay attention the last few days, I'm really pissed off with YouTube. I don't know why they did not send a notification. I can see it already. There's only 300 people, not even 300 people on the live. Yesterday, we almost had 1,000 people, about 800 people on yesterday's live in a matter of 10-15 minutes. And yeah, anyway, never mind. Let's go right away here with the scenario. The main reason we could get a bullish reversal setup right here is purely based, legends, purely based that this ABC has finished. We have dipped below the lows of 20th of March. Okay. It's kind of a regular flat. It's a regular flat, you would say. Flats don't need to get above the start of the A wave. The B wave doesn't need to go above the start of the A wave. Of course, it would be ideal. And the C does not need to go beneath the A wave, right? It can be kind of in the middle zone or go slightly below it. They're very, very complex. You got regular flats, expanding flats, you know, just different types of you know, ABC corrective moves. And the main reason this could have finished here, which I'm quite surprised of, is the C wave has finished. We have seen the C wave finished here, and we have had 1 wave, 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, fourth did not overlap the first wave. We did not hit the 618 Fibonacci, right? Just slightly above the 50%. All good here. However, what is disturbing about this 5th wave is a truncated 5th wave, which is a truncated 5th wave basically is when you do not manage to break through the 4th wave, right? You just test it and it turns into a double bottom or a double top in the case of an uptrend. However, what is disturbing about this is the waves to the downside, right? The waves here to the downside looked very much like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and maybe a 5. However, this 3rd wave was very small compared to the 1st wave. So there's already, I was a little bit in doubt here of what could potentially happen. Maybe this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, with the timing, it looks absolutely horrible, of course. You know, there's no chance that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, you got 3 and 5. Very much extended in time compared to the first wave. So it looked very much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, what is looking very bullish right now is that the price action did manage to get above all of this massive zone of support. Did get some resistance, it did get a pullback. Now it's breaking through, and it's breaking through lower high resistance. This is basically flipping the trend. It's flipping the trend. This is why you want to speculate here at some certain lower levels or on the breakout of the previous day value area low, which was very, very complex. Maybe some people did attempt a long position here and got stopped out. It was a little bit volatile, okay, where you get above previous day value area high. I got value area low here. I'm getting mixed up with them. Value area high, and it was getting a bit volatile, as you can see, right? Below the level, above the level, below. So if you did speculate in a long position to flip this as support, you probably got stopped out. Overall, I got into the daily open flip, right? You formed a double bottom, get up here, and if this had a chance to go up here, then why not get into the long position here instead of getting into the long when we're already pumping like crazy, right? So overall, we got a daily level here that could act as resistance. Okay, we could get a bit of resistance, but this is on full reversal mode, no doubt. We are in full potential reversal mode, and we are having open interest going through the roof, right, with this pump. So there is open interest with the pump. There is significant volume. We could be you know, basically on the move of a big reversal. Daily level, which we have the daily candle close and open from yesterday. We're just about to tap that level. And what would be bullish, we could get a little bit of resistance here. What could be bullish, guys, is a resistance support flip right on this daily level. If this daily might get a little bit of reaction, we probably got a little bit of a Gartley pattern here. There is a, yeah, but, yeah, we haven't got a Gartley pattern. Well, you can extend to the 0.88, no doubt. on the Gartley, a bit of choppiness right there, and get a major pullback. I mean, the main reason why I'm skeptical about this getting a rejection is purely based. You are breaking a major lower high resistance. This could just gain some steam and start rocketing to the upside out of nowhere, right? This could be the start of a big major reversal, and we do not want to try and fight the possible start of a major reversal, because you are going to get exhausted. You will be getting exhausted and wrecked if you're trying to short a major reversal set scenario, right? You know, you're shorting, you're looking for shorts. I think the best scenario right now is look for longs as we break resistance levels, because it could be the start of a major reversal, right? We need to read the chart, and the chart is telling us that this could be reversing. You are flipping this low right there, all right? This level of support that did get resistance, we did not continue. We're just breaking lower highs. We're breaking levels of support. There is a chance of reversing here very strongly. So we want to be very, very cautious with short positions, no doubt. I would be very, very cautious with shorts. We have a little bit of a front run right now from this daily level. I would really would not be too interested in a short unless you get a movement above the daily and then you get beneath it. Then you can speculate, of course, in a potential pullback to come all the way down to this high that was created a few hours ago and possibly flip as support with the 618. But we need to get above the daily and below the daily with not too much price action. On the other side, we get a blast through from the daily on lower time frames with high volume. We got a possible setup here, legends. I did get an incredible video of a strategy, guys, which is volume strategy, explained in detail, which is going to be launched by Sunday, okay? It's a tutorial of a profitable trading strategy, and the short position that I entered a few days ago, making over $1,000, was purely based on volume strategy, and I do explain that strategy in detail, okay, with several scenarios on the 1 hourly time frame and the 1 minute time frame that is going to be launched on Sunday. Hopefully you're going to enjoy very much that strategy, okay, because it's all for the best for you, the viewers, to look to be profitable in, you know, a very, very near time, right? In the very, very close future. This daily level, if this daily level is broken very successfully with high volume, we could be looking at the daily level to flip as support, especially if this high from Wednesday, the 17th of April, hasn't been hit. So we are looking for this level here to be hit potentially in the next coming hours. And if you do, it's an SFP zone, no doubt. It's a swing failure pattern zone. If you break through with high volume and you do not manage to hit this high, we need to pay attention on that daily, because this daily could flip as support. However, what is very common as well, when you hit from a clear pivot high to the pivot low, the 0.88 Fibonacci, which is also a possible resistance zone, and you get the rejection, a lot of the times you get a pullback all the way down to the 618, okay? So it's going to be very difficult. You would want to see a solid breakthrough here, and I would wait for a reaction. Wait for a couple of minute candlesticks to find the local support at the daily level, this green horizontal line, and then look for those internal double bottoms on lower time frames, 1 minute time frame, to then look for the speculation to continue this uptrend, right? Much better following the trend, okay, getting onto the pullbacks at major support levels than trying to fight the uptrend, right? Unless you get a clear move, quick wick up right now and then down. I mean, you just slightly tapped the daily. You just slightly tapped that daily level. This is already like a sniper short position. This is an acceptable short. We slightly front runned it a few hours, and we just tapped it right there. I mean, this, I would be like extremely defensive. You're probably going to get stopped out at break even because the momentum is very, very bullish and strong. I would not short right now after this drop of a few $100 right there. I would like instantly short the daily tap and rejection, and then stop loss. I would be very, very defensive. For major target zones, I mean, you need to be an absolute sniper for this, guys. Unless you're very concentrated on lower time frames to take these trades, then yeah, obviously doing, you know, I'm not concentrated here with the comment section and the overall higher time frame analysis. But if you know, this is a valid short scalp. You need to be quick though. You need to get in as you tap that daily and get beneath it, and be defensive, guys. The most important thing in trading is defending your capital, okay? Defend your capital. You don't want to get into any toxic short trades, add to your position and stuff like that, and be happy with small little losses or break even losses, right? Which is basically paying a bit of fees, and that is it. This is shooting back up again. So this would be a stop loss at break even. This is probably want to have a chance of breaking through that daily. If we break through the daily, like I said, I would be looking for that possible support flip right there on lower time frames and look for the bounce to claim those highs again. We are going to take a look at the comment section right away, and looks like we're attempting that breakout of the daily. Ride Punke from 0.07. I got notification, says Rotsis. Okay, we are good then. We are good. We got some notifications here going on. Legends Felipe, how are you doing, my brother? Thanks for joining the stream. Arvin, hello. Sebastian, got it. Let's go. Singularity X, I will see you in token 2049 tomorrow. I received notification, says Maz. Okay, wonderful. That is brilliant. Everyone huddle. Everyone hold. Dubai is underwater. Yes, it is. I did not leave home yesterday. I got a massive pickup truck, which is, you know, the Shelby F-150 that had no issues with you know, even a meter of water. No issues at all with that pickup truck, I'm telling you. The value area low of the entire range is also at the daily. The value area low, we got DeVault here helping out with the analysis. This is what we call team technical analysis. DeVault, you're an absolute legend. We do have the value area low of the entire range also at the daily level. So from this entire range, we got value area low. Look at this. Breaking through this level of resistance is going to be a big deal, right? We talked about this yesterday. We talked about, hey, maybe if we do get tomorrow the momentum to the upside above $64,000 by today, this is going to be quite bullish for a reversal, legends. You know, I don't see the price action doing this and then doing this. It's very unlikely. The price action will be breaking local downtrend, and if it is with powerful volume going to $64,000, $65,000, right, in the next coming hours, then we are looking for that value area low of the range plus the daily. Might get a bit of volatility beneath it, but we are looking for this zone to be supported and get some more upside. It looks pretty damn good. It looks pretty damn good for the price to get a reversal. It has a chance. Don't worry if you did miss a long position here at the lows. Maybe some people got into the swing failure pattern here yesterday right there. I mean, this is an epic long position because this is a swing long. You have a chance here on the price getting to all-time high in the next coming days, right? Give or take 1 week or 2 weeks. There is a chance. If you want to speculate on that, this is the level, right? The levels here from yesterday, the swing failure pattern or breaking above the daily open or the previous day value area high, right? That is the zone where you can speculate and long in. So if you did miss some long positions, I am going to say to you, you are not late, because just imagine if you missed the short position right over here. You could have shorted here. You could have shorted here or here. Guess where I shorted, legends? I shorted right over here at the $66,300 range. I shorted here just a few days ago. So you are not late. You will not be late if we do find a sign of strength, because you can long at several different levels where we can flip resistance as support. And this is what we are going to explain right away. Oh, I just ruined the music there. Let's go right away with the scenario here of flipping some levels of resistance into support, because like I mentioned, I did short here the price of Bitcoin. I missed shorting here, I missed shorting here, but I did short right over here. I'm actually not sure if I did short any of these ranges. I can't remember, the latest one obviously being this one. So if we do break through this area with high volume, daily level, value area low of the range, we're breaking lower high resistance trend line. It's looking pretty goddamn good, guys. If we continue this momentum, this is no doubt going to be a successful breakout, and the pullback is going to be our friend. We're going to have to look for that pullback to look for a level of support, which is that daily level. We'll be taking a look at Fibonacci. It is the value area low of the entire range, and you know what? We're going to mark that level right away. I like putting the value area low of a big massive range and marking it value area low of range right there, and we're going to put it in the blue. I like blue for value area levels on higher time frame. So value area low, I think we need to mark the point of control. Okay, we're going to mark that point of control of the range, and we're going to put that in the red. We got point of control of the range, very important level. Point of control range. We are getting ready with this level. Also, we're zooming in. Oof. This level got massive resistance. I think this was one of the main reasons as well to get into the short position, guys. The short position that I had open from the last few days, targeting the 1 hourly candle close, was purely based on volume. It's volume strategy right there. 1 hourly close, 1 hourly breakdown here with high volume, retrace to the high volume node right there. And you also had the point of control of the range, very strong resistance. So the price action right now, we're breaking through to the upside. Clear sign of strength. We need to be cautious here. You know, levels of rejection. I mean, I would be more interested in not looking for shorts, right? Trying to ride the momentum of a possible big reversal, right? This could be a possible big reversal that is going to happen in the next coming days. So we want to take advantage and not try and look for short positions as we're going up. We can, and I know very well how to get into a quick short scalp and be happy to get stopped out at break even or at a minor loss. I am worried of people that short here, short, and just continue shorting and getting wrecked or adding to their position. I do not really want that for the community. I would rather say, guys, this is a possible beginning of a reversal. Try and jump into the long positions on the retracement, right? Looking for the wedgie structures or the double bottoms, right? This could actually go all the way to all-time highs in the next coming days. We do have a bunch of liquidity legends, which is sitting here. Right now, we have all-time high liquidity. There's billions of dollars at the $73,000, $74,000 area. When we take a look at the last 3 days price action, we do have more liquidity to the upside, right? We're just about to hit the $65,000 range where we have hundreds of millions of short liquidations. We are very close to that level. I think we could manage to hit that zone. However, we are having a lot of resistance, right? We need to recognize that this is a resistance point where we have the value area low, we have the daily level. We are getting, you know, little bit of a rejection right there of a few $100. We break through here, legends. It is going to be game on. It's game on for us to very likely continue to the upside. Wait for the retracements. Wait for those wedgie structures with double bottoms to get into the long position to continue to the upside. Longs will be in our advantage if we break above this value area low and the daily level. Okay, let's go through the comment section right away. We got Master Go. Welcome to the community. Hopefully you are going to enjoy very much here the live streams and the education that we provide here with technical analysis. Market open in 1 hour. Yes, sir. We also got the US market open in 1 hour. Let's take a look at a little bit of news, legends, right away here. No bull trap, halving tomorrow. Very true. We got the halving in less than 1 day. Well, not less than 1 day. We got it in 1 day and 9 hours, right? This should be happening tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, or yeah, you could arguably discuss it's tomorrow night, depending. Tomorrow night, Central European time. 1 hour and 1 day and 9 hours, legends. Maybe it's going to have a massive bullish effect. We do have institutions. Will it have a bullish effect? Usually the halving hasn't had a major effect on the market. So maybe this time is different and it's getting a bullish effect. We actually got dumps on the halvings from previous cycles. Really not much happening and even the price going down. What if everybody's expecting that nothing's going to happen on the halving, right? It really does. It really is really not much of an event locally, right? For you to take a look at the halvings from previous cycle, the price doesn't do much. You don't get a massive pump of 100%, not even 10%, right? However, it's going to be a long-term bullish effect. There is something that I want to talk about, and I don't want to be the bear guy of the room, right? But it is something to take into consideration. The chart of Bitcoin bull nightmares. Do you know what this is? This is basically the US liquidity, the money flow, right? This is the liquidity in the green, US liquidity. And US liquidity has been going down for several weeks now. You do not want to see the liquidity going down very strongly, because when you see massive liquidity going down here is when you get into a bearish kind of market, right? And this is what has happened back in 2014, 2015. These major rallies that you had in 2017 was when liquidity was going up, as you can see. Now there is another scenario, of course, which is, I mean, this had a massive bullish effect, which was the C19 crash. We had massive money printing and big liquidity being pumped in the market. Remember, there were trillions of dollars being printed and the US liquidity just went through the roof. Look at this in 2020. It went just absolutely bananas, right? Just after the major drop, we got the market entering an insane bull run, not only for Bitcoin, but altcoins and also general market. Now, what happened in the peak in April, May of 2021, we got, you know, the liquidity coming down drastically. This is where we started peaking out, obviously at $65,000, then 69. We had the major drop of liquidity. What is happening right now for the last few weeks? We are having liquidity going down very strongly. This is really unpredictable. We have this scenario very unpredictable. We could see maybe the Federal Reserve in next month. We having massive banks collapsing and the money printers going on again, and they're printing trillions of dollars for everybody. We could not predict this, right? Who would have predicted that this? Well, we knew that something had to happen because we were in lockdown in the on the C19 crash. There was lockdown and we needed to have bailouts and people paid for because nobody could go and work. So the money printer had to go on. So if we are going to see some cracks in the economy, the money printer needs to go on, and we need to see a lot of liquidity in the market, right? So it's a little bit unpredictable, but right now we are seeing the the US liquidity going down. A lot of people when you go to the comments, do not agree with this situation, because they say global liquidity, US liquidity isn't the right thing to focus on. Focus on global liquidity, but it is true that the US data drives 80% of the global market still, right? The US dollar is the world reserve currency. It is not Bitcoin. It is not the Chinese yuan. It is the US dollar. So anyway, let's go right away. Bearish divergence on the monthly time frame chart. Let's go. Bearish divergence. Are we going to see a major collapse? We are going to do a little bit of Elliott wave theory on higher time frame right away. I'm going to explain Floki. Let's go with Floki. Yeah, sorry about that. Floki just got a huge major pullback during the last few weeks. What can I say about this? Stay cautious. I want to see a bottom formation. We are getting... Let's take a look at Floki here on an exchange where we do have some volume. We got a bit of volume strategy here going on the daily. We got a bit of volume strategy going on the daily. Big volume spikes. The biggest volume is this one. We are holding the high volume level right there. Look at this. There is a chance. Let me tell you, there is a chance based on volume strategy that move up resistance with high volume, move up here with high volume, retrace down in a three-wave structure, consolidation. This actually could be a local bottom, and you're going to get an epic bounce on Floki. You're getting supported from high volume, so take it with a grain of salt. This is a bouncing level, no doubt. It is a bouncing consolidation zone, especially on the daily, because you are bouncing on the daily candle close. You're not managing to close a daily candle beneath the highest volume candle when you had this rise, right? Which is right over here at the 13 level, right? We're not 00013 level. So you have a chance here on Floki in bouncing. Look how this highest volume candle, we're not managing to close a daily candle beneath this level, which is absolutely insane. The daily candle from the 2nd of March, it's the second highest volume from the last 2 months. So looking pretty good. We are holding. This could get a significant bounce in the next coming days. Let's go right away. Continue. SEC chairman Gary Gensler resigned. No way. Did he resign? Are you serious? Where is this coming from? Did Gary Gensler resign? Guys, confirm me in the comment section if this is true. I assume that this is bullish, right? This should be bullish for the crypto market. Maybe this is why we're getting this pump. But yeah, let me know. JP Morgan says, after halving 42K, do you agree? Oh my goodness. Every time JP Morgan has been bearish, the market has been bullish. No doubt. You can see the tweets, okay, from JP Morgan. And I guess this is the CEO, right? Jamie Dimon, right? Every time he posts a tweet of being bearish on Bitcoin, Bitcoin has had a very bullish effect. Okay, trust me. You can check it out. Bearish tweets of Jamie Dimon or JP Morgan, and every time he's been bearish, market has had a significant pump there. So it's like reverse Kramer, right? Maybe it's like reverse Kramer. So if he's bearish on Bitcoin now, if this tweet has been from yesterday or today, it might be a sign that this is bullish. Right, let's continue here. CleanSpark going to 18 today. Okay. Birdman, interesting. JP Morgan all over the place. Yes, sir. Gary didn't resign. It was a fake post on Twitter. God damn you guys. Yeah, this is it was unlikely, right? What was epic was the actual Twitter account from the Security Exchange Commission that came out, guys. Do you remember in January we had the fake news of the ETF being approved, right? When was it? It was round about, I cannot remember. the exact day, but we did get a dump. We did get a fake ETF approval somewhere. I'm not sure if it was here, and then we got the dump. But yeah, we got a hack on the Security Exchange Commission Twitter account on the ETF approval, which was absolutely epic. He has not resigned. Some insider said it, says Alina. My goodness, what's going on, guys? We cannot rely on especially Twitter, right? Twitter's great for news, but there's also misinformation, right? There is a lot of misinformation on Twitter. It is great because it's kind of censorship resistance, right? You can post almost whatever you want there, kind of, not really, but almost. And you could not, a lot of things are not verifiable, right? And there's so many hacks nowadays that it's absolutely crazy. We even got the Security Exchange Commission Twitter account getting hacked, saying that the ETF was approved, right? You cannot trust everything nowadays. Anything. Do you think the low for Mina is in? 𝗬cie𝗺𝗺𝘶. I am getting wrecked on Mina, guys. It is in the red. I'm not getting wrecked, obviously. It's just in the red. My portfolio is in the red from Mina. I've been buying some Mina protocol at these levels during the last few days. I have been DCAing, and is the bottom in, you asking right now? It is great levels to scoop up many different altcoins. Something interesting is that if this is the wave 2 of the bull run that we are in right now, we've already had a major pullback of almost, some altcoins did get a 50% pullback. In the case of Mina Protocol, it is over a 50% pullback right there. A lot of the altcoins have had over a 50% pullback in the last few weeks. The second wave has been very fast. It's been very fast, less than 1 month. We could go sideways for a few more weeks, but everything looks very, very bullish. No doubt that this is insanely good levels. If the second wave can even go to the 7/8 Fibonacci and even the 0.88, which would be a bit brutal, that would be coming down to 50 cents here in the case of Mina Protocol. I'm happy to buy at these levels. These levels are a steal. We've had the impulsive one wave to the upside. Now we've had the second wave right now. Understand this. This will get back above $1.70 in the next coming months. It's going to happen. This movement down has been a bit fast, so it might get choppy. But I can tell you that Mina is not going to go beneath the lows here. So if you want to know a little bit of confidence of, me being confident about something, is that the low is in for the case of Mina, right? We're not dropping beneath 35 cents. That is my opinion. That is my analysis. And that is purely based of bear market has happened. The bear market trend has broken in a bullish trend. You've broken the bearish trend, guys. This has been bearish for several years. Come on, 2022, 2023. It is time to flip into the bullish market, and it's just going to take a bit of time. We are inside of the potentially best opportunity, the only opportunity for the next coming weeks that we can get in at cheap prices. Do you want to buy some Mina Protocol when the market is pumping at $2-3? Are you going to buy here? I'm going to be selling, guys. I'm not sure if this is going to reach all-time high. I am happy with the 2, 3, 4x on some of these cryptos that I'm buying because, I ain't putting $1,000 on some of these cryptos. I'm putting several tens of thousands of dollars, and I would be happy with a 4, 5x, right, on some of them. So, yeah, no doubt that this is extremely cheap levels. I'm happy to buy at these levels very much. I was happy for buying Mina below $1. And we're at 80 cents right now. So this is very, very good. Very, very good. Buy as much Mina as possible. Mina is a monster, says Matt Joe. Yeah, Mina Protocol is no doubt a very good project. Nia Protocol. Rune also is dirt cheap. My goodness, Rune got a massive hit. but the parabolic move on Rune was crazy. I think that Rune can dip beneath the lows here from January, which is below $3.80, ever so slightly. I would be very much happy to buy some Rune if it drops beneath the low here. That would be insane. Rune is gonna absolutely rocket, in my opinion. This is gonna be insane. If this does manage to pull back all the way down to the 7/8 Fibonacci, which is just round above $3, and we are speculating that this is the second wave inside of 5 waves of this bull run, this is going to be crazy good. The first wave is telling you how big of a projection can the third wave give you, right? If the first wave after a bear market is insanely impulsive, like in the case of Rune, if just the first wave is like this, my goodness, the third wave after this second wave it's just gonna go through the roof. You know, no doubt that I see Rune at above $20 in the coming months, potentially before the end of the year. After this volatile movements in crypto, second wave, right? We're in the second wave right now, and second wave is bearish. You got the one wave breaking the bear market structure. Now you're in the second wave, so it's a matter of being patient, waiting a few weeks. It is golden opportunity, because once this pumps, I am getting the heck out, legends. I am getting the heck out. I don't know how the 5 waves are going to be. Maybe you're going to have the third wave, and the 5th wave is going to be a dirty double top, not even reaching all-time high, and then dumping down in 2025, 2026. I don't know what's going to happen. This is the moment on these good altcoin projects to make a 3-4x, be happy. You know, if you make a 5x, hey, legendary, right? Getting those 100x is extremely complicated. You need to go down the rabbit hole, maybe get into Bretter, right? Brett token, 𝗬𝗫. This one, yeah, you can speculate on these meme coins. This is on the base blockchain. This is kind of the largest meme coin there. Could this go to 2-3 billion? I mean, I don't think this is going to go to 10 billion, and that would be a 20x. 10 billion looks a little bit aggressive. I mean, that would take the price all the way above 50 cents of Brett. But this is like the leading meme coin on the base blockchain. Do you want to take the chance? I mean, this is already, it's got a corrective move. I don't, I think you should, yeah, let's just say that meme coins on these blockchains. So Solana meme coin was, what was it? Bonk was the leading meme coin on Solana. Maybe Brett is, for the moment, it is the leading crypto on base. So if you speculate that these meme coins usually get to $2-3 billion at least, you know, you are waiting for a 4-5x on this one at least. Massive speculation, of course. One thing you don't want to do is miss the boat. Okay, you think it's going lower. I hear that all the time. Then I hear the same people get pissed because they missed a huge pump. This is aggressive DCA zone. This is already aggressive DCA zone. In the case of Rune, I do see the chance of the price dipping beneath the low of January, which is below $3.80. That would be kind of the sweet spot. Could you swing failure pattern or not from there? But that would be the sweet spot here. It might get a bounce right now and then come down. I think we do have several weeks of uncertainty, all right? This is, if you take a look at Fibonacci timing, and it's pretty goddamn clear here, guys. Look at this. This is it. It's crystal clear. We've had a massive bullish run for over 6 months. We could expect 6 months, right? Maybe now 5 months if we do count March, of bearishness. The waves move in timing. Look at this. We had massive bearishness on Rune when we dropped, right? You had a massive rally and then massive bearishness. This dropped and it just went sideways for several months. September, October, November. Then it started pumping. We could see April, part of April, May, June being bearish. When we take a look at Fibonacci timing, and timing is very important when we're looking at the waves, taking a look at the low from June of 2023 to the highs. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. This is giving you the 1-to-1 extension till December of this year. We could start pumping from the 382, which is June, that you could already find a base. So we're looking still for maybe another 2 months of bearishness. Even though we get one bounce here, this could be on ABC, and then we're gonna, after we cross the 382,618, then we start to recover. And once you cross the 1-to-1, you would expect, obviously, the price to start gaining momentum to the upside very strongly. So it's been very, very bullish for many months. Hey, we need a cool off, legends. This is going to be the opportunity for the next coming weeks to get into some cheap altcoins. It'll pump soon again, says Timothy. So, hey, DCA aggressively is the word, guys. This is the moment to DCA. Could we go to lower levels? Potentially, yes. I think this is already great levels to DCA, okay? Mina Protocol, absolutely great project. Phantom, there's many good ones that have had that pullback of 40, 50, even 60%. And yeah, what else? When they say buy the dip, this is the dip. And if it keeps dipping, I'm going to keep buying the dip, because this is the second wave of huge, massive 5 waves that are coming in the next coming months. And the only thing that could cancel this massive bullish crypto bull market is a devastating depression, recession, World War III, right? Let's hope not. But something devastating happening worldwide is something that we cannot predict. And this is what would cancel the possible bull run for the next coming months, right? So DAG also. DAG. My goodness. I do have a bag of DAG. And I do have some cash on the sidelines. And I would want to buy some DAG at these levels. No doubt. Beautiful. It is crystal clear. Look how crystal clear the waves are here, legends. Bang, 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 bang. You are in that second wave, baby. You have broken bearish market structure from 2022. We've had a brutal bear market, guys. Come on. The last few years has been brutal. 2022, it's part of 2023 for some altcoins. It's been brutal, guys. It's been a brutal bear market. Come on. We have broken the bearish structure. Now we are in the second wave. Chill. This is going to be good times coming. There's going to be good times coming in the next coming months. We just need to chill. It might get a little volatile for a few weeks, but it's already at very interesting levels. This second wave has gone very, very fast, I gotta say. Could it go choppy and sideways for a little bit? Yeah, possibly, yes. Even better. If we go sideways for the next coming weeks, even better. This is going to be rock bottom levels. We need to buy the heck out of this, legends, because this is going to rocket. This is going to pump like crazy. My goodness, DAG. This is an insane project. You got the US Ministry of Defense using the technology, using DAG Constellation. You can read up through this. This is gonna do something. It will do something. And I'm expecting this projected move. It's not too much right now, but 15 cents, yeah, that's already bringing a 3x from current price levels, right? For that projected third wave at least. It could go higher. That is like the minimum target. So you're looking for a 3x in the next coming months. Legends. You do have insane bonuses. As you know, my favorite exchanges, Bybit, I closed the short position that I had at $66,300. Opened a long position. I'm going to leave this open. I'm going to give the chance for Bitcoin to actually go to all-time high If this goes above all-time high in the next coming days, we'll be banking over $1,000 or $2,000 potentially. If we do get the continuation to the upside, this could be the end of that ABC flat. If we do get above the daily level and the value area low of the entire zone, it's going to be a good sign that the uptrend will continue. ABC has finished. We are grabbing that liquidity of shorts at all-time high, and this is probably what the price is going to do in the next coming weeks. Check out the links, guys. If you want to trade on 𝗬cie, on Bybit, you got exclusive bonuses down below. 𝗬cie, no KYC for the moment, and you do have $20,000 worth of bonus, okay? Thank you very much. I'm going to go to some side events of crypto here in Dubai. Stay safe, legends. If you enjoy the content, subscribe and smash up the like button, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.